Hello, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome, welcome. This is my November box. You can see it's a little banged up. This month, for some reason, I had to pay an extra $30 in duty to cross the border. So I'm expecting some good stuff in this box since it cost me an extra $30 at the door. I don't know why. I've never had to do this before, but here we are. So, if you are not familiar with my videos from last month, I have a subscription to cloth and paper because one of my favorite things is stationery. I love stationery. It makes me so incredibly excited, so incredibly happy. So, here we are. I just got it on Thursday, and here we are. We're going to open it up. So this is the November subscription box from, again, Cloth and Paper. I paid for this myself. This is not sponsored. This is just me nerding out over some stationery, sharing one of my passions with you. So I hope you get excited about stationery as I do, because this is a really good box this month. Apparently, demand for this box this month is so big that they actually were allowing people to just purchase this box as a standalone box instead of the subscription. Let me put the box down. So, and I have the Penspiration. So here's the Penspiration plus the planner box. So that is this is actually like two packages in one. It's like a little add-on. So they were actually allowing people just to buy this as a standalone box where normally you have to pay for the subscription and it comes monthly. The other little piece of lore that I do want to mention in this box about this box is that these flags I'm really excited about because we were supposed to get them in last month's box, and at the last minute we got an email saying they weren't coming for reasons. Um so I'm really excited to get these flags as well. So I can tell you that, like, in the extra box, which I don't even think I don't even know if it's available or not. Like I said, I'm not an affiliate. I'm not this is not sponsored. This is just me sharing some tea with you because what is better than stationary tea? Anyways, I'm really excited about these flags because they were supposed to come in the October box and they didn't. So I'm really glad that they came in this one. These ones are transparent as well. Does it give the colors? No. But you can see they're a little bit off, like, this one is, like, a more pewter and then, like, a dark blue, and this one has more of, like, a light sky blue and then into the dark grays, so that's nice. I do love the colors. And same with these ones. These ones are more pewters to that same dark blue to match with these flags, whereas these ones are the gray ones. Okay, we will do the pens last as always, but let's take a little peek-see here. So this I do know what this is. This is a gift tag in case you wanted to gift this set, because this is I do know a little bit about what's in here because I am, you know how people are like, spoiler warning, if you don't want to know what's going to happen next in this TV show, look away. I am that person that cannot look away. So I have seen some spoilers. So I do know that this tag is in case you want to give it away for a gift. They gave you a little tag because then you could just put it on here and give it away as a little gift. Member access, this just gives me the instructions to order multiples of what's inside this box. And then this is the January desktop calendar. So I'm going to put that aside for now. We'll put that over here because we don't exactly need that. I do like how they changed it. Like, here's the one for November. You can see there's a little bit of embossing, like November, but this time it looks like next year they're going to have all of the dates embossed, which might be pretty nice for when you are highlighting important days. It might be easier just to highlight out that day. So we'll see. we will practice with this maybe and see if we can, if I have time. Okay, we do have to jet. I of course am on a time crunch today. So here are the contents. We are going to be going through it piece by piece. So I'm going to put those aside. Yeah, sorry. I'm going to put those aside as I literally start to read. A blank calendar. N'oubliez pas de vivre. Cloth and paper. I did not conjugate that in my mind. N'oublie. I don't know why I just did not conjugate it. My pen test. So we will go through that. Hopefully we'll have time, hopefully. And old world, new things. I love that. And it's like it's almost like a receipt, like a which is actually funny. I'm getting I know for a fact I'm getting one of these leather folios for Christmas. So I cannot wait. But that is a whole other story. Okay, let's dig in. Pull off the dust ruffle. So this year we have been doing a lot of gold. I'm really excited to see this here, Manuka. So this actually looks like one looks like it's leather and one looks like it's a plastic. Here, let's see if we can get inside. I want to actually open this. The perfect addition to your daily planner routine, from holding your spot on a page to starting your favorite quote cards. Capabilities of these are endless. One is 4.2 or 5-inch matte gray and glossy option. Okay. Here, I know you are all a huge fan of my tiny, ineffective scissors. You can let me know all about the fan club for my scissors later. Okay. Sorry, I just want to grab these. Okay. Oh, so these are I got another one that was a silver one in a past packet. It is not here, it is downstairs. And that one felt so much more secure. But I do like these. They're a little bit what's the word I'm looking for? More flexible. Like they're a little bit more flexible. The other one was very, very stiff. But I like these. I thought they were going to be gold, but they're more of a brownish. I also know about these here sticky notes are made in Japan. The first time cloth and paper made something in Japan. I love me some sticky notes. I love me some millennial gray. So those are going to be awesome as well. And these are circle stickers. And I think they're all just different sizes, but the same color. And they do match the brown. There we go. Yeah, they do match the brown. So all different kind of colors or all different sizes, same color. I still like it. I like it. Okay, these are the today, this week, this month. They are plastic. What are they? Page markers. They are going to fit inside the spiral planner. I'm actually really excited about the spiral planner. Oh, yeah, and then here we go. So here is the Spiral 2024 planner. I am super excited about these because obviously I'm a stationery girl. I am a planner girl. I love me some planners. I am obsessed with planners. I always get at least one planner for Christmas because somebody always remembers that I'm obsessed with planners. It's actually actually usually my sister-in-law, and so she usually gets me one, but I love them. Okay, so here we are, the 2024 Spiral Bound Planner. Monday start, layout horizontal, color clear, size A5. So I'm really excited about this, and I do believe it should fit inside the folio that I'm getting. So crisp. It's like when you get a brand new book and you open up that book for the first time and it's like so stiff and so crisp. I love it. I'm super excited. So here we go. This belongs to 2024 at a glance. Holidays, observances. This here says, if you want to have more, you have to become more. If you want things to change, you have to change. If you want things to get better, you have to get better. If you want things to improve, you have to improve. When you grow, everything grows for you. And then it just repeats itself. If you want to have more, if you want to have more, you have to become more. So it just repeats. It's just that one. I love it though. Notes, January goals, important dates, bills. We have to talk about bills. Our January at a glance, notes pages. And then here we go. Our week. Oh, Monday is the first. I love a year that starts on a Monday, let me tell you. And then here we go for February. I am my own muse, and then it goes on. So we will read that in February. I am so incredibly excited about this. It has the little dates all the way down, little markers all the way down. So, where is this? This is some contacts at the end. Where does it end? What does it end with? Ah, a little bit of notes, some contacts. And this here, you can just go today. And this just fits in here. And then you can see, just stick some on the top. So that's today. I'll definitely use today. I might use this month, but we'll see. We will see. We'll see if I use this month. I probably will not use this week just because I don't need 3, and I think that will be a lot. Okay, last but not least, and we have a few minutes left. Here are the pens. I know nothing about the pens. I did not see any spoilers about the pens, but usually we get a pen. Sorry, I'm talking while I'm, like, digging in, and I know that my voice is getting drowned out by the ASMR in the background. Okay, so normally we get a pen, a pencil, um, and a fine liner or a marker. So, let's take a peek. So, the first one is Schneider Topball Gel Pen. Oh, that should be this one here. 0.5 black ink. Zebra Ball Pen, that's this one here, Pilot. Zebra Blend, it's gotta be this one. Nope. Where are we? Oh, no, Blend. This doesn't say zebra. Zebra, you guys are getting more covert on me. Pilot Frixion Light? That would be this one here. Oh, it's a highlighter, it's gray. Next is Twin Marker Dual Tip Fine Liner. And then this is the Pilot Rex Grip Mechanical Pencil. Okay, so let's do some tests. This is the top ball. I like it. very smooth. I normally prefer larger tips. Like 0.5 is usually small for me, but this actually feels like a substantial. It feels larger than it is for the 0.5 millimeters. So I do like it. It's a little bit bleedy, but it could also be the paper. So let's move on to the next. So this is the zebra. No, zebra blend. This was the zebra blend. And I believe I have one like this already. And I think I actually really like it. Let's take the little tip off. Do not laugh at my grip. I like to make sure my pen doesn't go anywhere while I'm writing. Like this one too. Again, I normally like the larger size, but this is also a 0.5, I believe. I do have another one of these, and I like that one also. So this one, notably less leaky, less uh it's bleeding much less, but again, it could be the paper. This is almost like a cardstock, but it's soft. Like it's non-gloss, it's glossy on this side. These are the colors for the month, the color inspiration for the pens, and I guess also for the rest of it for the month. Notably less bleedy. Love it. Love it. This is my favorite so far. Okay, light highlighter. And that is this one here? No, that's this one here. I love me a gray highlighter. I like it. It's a highlighter. A highlighter is a highlighter. Okay, twin marker. So this is, oh, nice and thick. Okay. One thing I do note about this, like it, easy to use, super easy to handle, but I have an abnormally hard, like I like to press down hard. It might be because of how I hold my pen, but I feel like you cannot do that with this one because the tip is so long. So, that's the only thing with that one. Watch how hard you push on it, and it's gonna be I'm sure it's gonna be the same because it does come out quite a bit. I don't know if you can see if we are adjusting, but it's got a little bit of a longer, what's the word I'm looking for? Felt, like the piece of felt outside. Okay, yeah. On this side, I do feel very, very cautious trying to write with it. I feel like I'm going to just completely break it. So that one, it's great, but I am just worried with my writing on it. Normally, pencils are my favorite. This pencil feels very, very thin. It could be the lead. It's also a 0.5. But usually the pencils are my favorite in these packs. I love writing with pencil. I don't know why. Um, Maybe it's the inner elementary school child in me, but this one feels a little bit thin. Again, I just generally prefer like the thicker ones. I think again because I need something sturdy with my death grip. But that's it. That's all for now. I love this pack. I'm super excited. I hope that I can find some time to actually set up my planner and bring you guys along with me. I think that would be fun to make some content in and around filling out my planner and setting up my planner. Let me know if you want to see that. But until next time, this was my November sub box. Can't wait for the December one. Have no idea what's in the December one, but I am sure I will find some spoilers online. Anyways, I will chat with you all soon down in the comments. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing adventure.